When you wish to read a bit, you cannot, when you wish to read a bit but cannot afford to buy every book you come across, then the best option is to opt for a library. British Council has some really good collection in its stock. A few years ago, one had the option or the facility to visit that library. You could screen through the bookshelves, sit back for a while, read or browse through the books you intend to borrow. By the end of the day, you had the shortlisted few books you were allowed to rent for a number of days. This was far more comfortable for souls as weird as I am. Some of the best books I have read in my life so far were from the British Council Library. The current scenario is all about online circulation and renting. Once you avail the membership, you get a login to access the database of books on circulation. You select the books online and they deliver them to your address. Convenient and feasible if you have a house or an address of your own. Unfortunately for someone like me, who's a vagabond and has no permanent address or a place of my own, this convenience becomes a pleasure difficult to access. I am certain for one thing, the team that selects and manages the collection of books, they know their job pretty well and are extremely resourceful in their approach. The reason I emphasize and stress the importance of reading is because just the way people do physical exercises to keep themselves healthy and stress-free, the same way reading is an exercise of the mind, your intellectual prowess. For the past couple of years, I have not read a single book and I can see the degeneration. My mind is more restless, scattered, and it becomes a tedious task for me to concentrate, which makes me dig into my past and look for the future. It is not easy for people to live and think in their present, and I'm one such foolish soul. Present is what is important, and when we do not live in our present, we are running away from the battlefield and are not making any attempts to live or to survive. Life is all about survival and to make the most of your abilities to survive. We need to live in the present and accept what comes through. Even when it comes to tarot readings, the emphasis is always on the present. I will not deny that the reason why people approach any card reader is because they are curious about the future. You seek for the future or the unknown when your present is painful and one is looking for an escape. There are times when we cannot resolve the present crisis and cannot face it either. Even then, we cannot discount the fact that the present phase or issue needs to be resolved so as to ensure a peaceful future. What we all know is that the human soul does not wish to suffer. So the moment anything unpleasant comes up, we look for a way out by cursing the past or the people, or by hoping for a peaceful and prosperous future. Who does not love wishful thinking in times of panic? We all do. What is difficult is to face the present. What is crucial right now will shape our survival instincts. I have published a few articles or blogs over the years on the World Wide Web. I am immensely grateful